Welcome to our latest Wandering Walks of Wonder Tour. Today we're headed to the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center in Nebraska City, Nebraska. Perched on a scenic 79-acre wooden bluff overlooking the Missouri River, the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center offers us an unforgettable journey back in time. From the bluff, we can see unobstructed views of the Missouri River, much like the one that greeted Captains Lewis and Clark more than 200 years ago. The center's mission is all about learning through hands-on exploration and discovery. Here we'll step back into the world of the famous 1804 to 1806 Lewis and Clark expedition, but we'll focus on the incredible scientific breakthroughs made on this journey, including the discovery of 178 new plants and 122 new animals. Outside the center is this 55-foot long replica of the explorer's original keelboat. This is the same kind of vessel Lewis and Clark would have used over 200 years ago. Our first stop inside the Interpretive Center gives us a little bit of overview about the Lewis and Clark expedition. One of the things that we see right away is this 32-foot long cutaway model of the white pirogue inside the center, which is equipped with oars that allow us to feel the strength of what it took to move this wooden boat with cargo upstream. We also see at the beginning here some of the discoveries of plants and animals made during the core discovery between 1804 and 1806. As we continue along our tour, we'll take a closer look at a replica of Meriwether Lewis's medicine chest, really his first aid kit. It's stocked with medicines and medical tools provided by some of the nation's top physicians back in 1802. We'll also compare those early treatments to the more effective remedies that were used by friendly Native American tribes that talked to them along the journey. Native American tribes crafted from local plants and animals many of their medicines.
Yes.
Lewis and Clark documented 122 animals that were completely new to science in their journals. And here, as we head upstairs inside the loft area called the Great Hall, we can take a look at each of those. Here we see lifelike mounts of some of the larger animals frozen in action, just as the Corps of Discovery might have seen them over 200 years ago along the plains and river bluffs. We see things like a full-size bison, a black bear with a cub, a bobcat, a wolf, an elk, and many more. This part of the exhibit showcases the incredible variety of fish the Lewis and Clark expedition encountered during their nearly 4,000-mile long journey along rivers and streams. This journey took them from the Missouri River all the way to the Pacific Ocean. As we can see, there are many different species that they discovered of fish, and also the ability to explore and take a look at the traditional fishing techniques that were used by Native American tribes along their route. This unique display was designed by Native American high school students from Idaho and Montana, which adds an authentic and personal perspective to the story of Lewis and Clark. In this part of the exhibit, we see some of the nearly 175 plants that were first documented by Lewis and Clark as they made their core discovery journey between 1804 and 1806. The last part of our tour takes us back outside where we take a look at a replica of Camp Wood, or also known as Camp Dubois. This was the winter headquarters and official launch point for the Lewis and Clark expedition that was originally set just outside St. Louis, Missouri. The camp itself was established in December of 1803 in Wood River, Illinois, at the confluence of the Missouri and Mississippi River. Its location on the east side of the Mississippi was deliberate, as that land was still under U.S. control at the time. This was important because the Louisiana Purchase had not yet formally changed hands. Spain didn't transfer the territory to France until March of 1804, and France handed it over to the United States the very next day. Camp Dubois operated as a fully functional military camp. The men trained regularly, maintained strict cleanliness, stood guard duty, and hunted to supplement their rations. On May 14, 1804, the Corps of Discovery, under Clark's command, departed from Camp Dubois and set off up the Missouri River, officially beginning one of the most significant expeditions in American history. I hope you've enjoyed this Wandering Walks of Wonder tour here at the Lewis and Clark Visitor Center in Nebraska City, Nebraska. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we will see you on our next Wandering Walks of Wonder adventure. Take care now. Bye bye. How you doing? Huh?